This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
But I appeal on behalf of the petitioner. It's a very,
On behalf of the private
very short
respondent
matter.
number.
Lordship, is the first order relating to Millard, relating to recording the name of the first wife in the service record. Pension matter. It's a very short Millard, point is involved. Lordship passed an interim order. Now, Millard, the writ has to be heard finally and disposed of.
Yes.
And law, Millard, is also well settled. Millard, kindly have a look at the railway service pension rules. Lordship has asked the authority to file an affidavit. Twice, Millard, they have not. But if the law is clear, Lordship can dispose it of. I am the first wife. It's an admitted position.
You are the first wife. You are the first wife.
I am the first
Correct.
wife. It's an admitted
So you
position.
are having, how many children you are having with
Millard,
the first wife?
One
One children.
son,
Major.
major,
Correct.
Now-
Married.
married.
Okay. Then he conducted second marriage.
Second marriage.
The first wife is still there.
Still there, still there.
There is
Name
no
has not been,
divorce.
name has not been,
There is no divorce.
there is no divorce. There is no
I-
divorce. Now, Millard, kindly have a look at the rule 70. I have only one copy, Millard. Smart, Millard. I tender my apology for this. Rule 70, 74 and 75. Form 5 and 6, Millard, has to be filed. And rule 70 says, Millard, the hierarchy, Millard, the first wife has to be considered.
Rule 70.
Rule 70, Millard. I only have one copy. Copy ta no number. Private respondent has filed an affidavit. I have prepared a reply, but nothing needs to be considered. But nothing is required. Rule 70, first wife, Lordship has seen, Millard. So once, so long the first wife is alive, nobody else would be considered. So for us recording the name in the service record. Now, Millard, I only have one set. Kindly have a look at 74, 75. 74 probably says about how it is to be done. Form 5 and 6 has to be filled up.
That's why I'm telling. Wife or the wives,
Yes.
including the judicially separated wife or wives in case of male.
I am not judicial separated wife.
So wife is there.
Yes. So others will not come in so long I am.
Including a judicially separated or sons, including his stepsons. The purpose of 71, 73 and 74, family in relation railway service.
Yes. Now, Millard, Lordship has seen 74, 75. It talks about pension, Millard.
Nomination.
Nomination. How it is to be done, Millard. Now, Millard, 77, 1 A and B. It talks about family pension to more widows than one. Yes, I am the, Millard, still I am the first wife. So question of distribution of the pension amongst the widows will not apply. 77.
77.
77, Millard. Family pension scheme 75, 77. Roman 1, 70, so, sorry, Millard, 75, 7. I'm sorry. 75, 7, Roman 1, A and B. So these will not apply. So there cannot be any dispute about recording my name in the service record. That's the only prayer I have. And the subsequent steps may be taken, Millard, because once, sorry, Millard.
No. 77, 75, 7.
75, 7.
Where the family pension is payable to more widows,
So that question will not come.
then
I'm still the Millard, first wife. So my name has to be recorded. So long I am there, Millard, recording the name of children or other will not arise. Because they come in the line after my departure. If I am alive, I will get the preference. Now, Millard, he has retired. Probably the pension has to be given to an account. Just my name has to be inserted there after his death, or if anything happens, Millard, then the money has to come to me.
yes. Then
That's all, Millard.
Lordship, my humble submission subject to Lordship's corrections. I'm trying to enhance my knowledge. Lordship, this kind of claim will come after the demise of respondent number 6. Because after demise of the respondent number 6, then the petitioner will come and then the petitioner will receive the amount, Lordship. First thing is that. Second thing, Lordship,
Who is the respondent number 7?
Husband.
respondent number 6, Lordship.
Who is the 6?
Husband.
Husband, I agree. I agree to that.
Respondent number 6 is the
Husband.
husband.
Husband of the
Government servant.
petitioner.
He is the government servant.
He was a government employee.
Correct.
Hmm.
Correct. During
Lordship.
his lifetime, he married twice. First marriage, one son. The first wife is still alive.
Alive.
Correct. But without any divorce, he is a Hindu.
Lordship.
He is a Hindu.
Lordship.
Governed by the Hindu law.
So she is still she is wife.
She is the wife.
Wife.
There is no divorce of decree by way of
It is not disputed.
from the court of law. So
Lordship.
she is the first wife.
She is the
But-
first.
But he has conducted the second wife,
He contacted the second marriage,
second man.
and he has a second wife.
Correct.
Now, if the second wife doesn't have any claim,
Correct.
then legitimate or illegitimate daughter born from the wedlock of the second marriage,
Correct.
this daughter has every
Entitled
right,
to that,
like
entitled.
the son of the
First
first
wife.
marriage,
First wife.
son of the first marriage.
Correct.
So, Lordship, at present, Lordship, I humbly draw your Lordship's kind attention on prayer number B, page number 9. Prayer number B, page number 9.
Hmm.
A writ of and or in the name of mandamus do issue directing the respondent number 1 to 5 and each one of them, men, agents, servants, subordinates, assigns, to act in terms of the representation by your petitioner dated 21st October 2025. Now, Lordship, I will go to annexure P3,
Page
that is page number 27. What was the prayer in page number 27? What was the prayer in the representation? I'm asking myself. The kindly come to Lordship last paragraph of this representation. অতএব মহাশয়ের নিকট আমার একান্ত প্রার্থনা এই যে যাহাতে আমার এবং আমার সন্তানের নাম এসআর সার্ভিস রেকর্ড এ নথিভুক্ত করা হয় সেই ব্যবস্থা সুবিচার করিতে আজ্ঞা হয়। Service record, that means to include the name of the petitioner and her son in the service record. This is the prayer. So this if the name of the first wife is included in the service record, I do not have any objection. And if regarding the inclusion of name of the son of the first marriage, in this regard, on earlier date, Lordship asked one report in form of affidavit whether the name of son is permissible to be included in the service record or not, because the son is not minor at present. First thing. Second thing is that, Lordship, I have one daughter from the wedlock of the second marriage. So daughter has every right. If for the sake of argument, I think that this daughter is illegitimate, then also she has every right as my daughter.
Correct.
So these the right of daughter cannot be hampered.
Sir, tell me, when the petitioner retired, when the husband retired,
Hmm.
when he retired,
Retired
First week of January. December on 31st.
in January 2026. That means 31st January
he
2020.
retired from service.
Retired from service.
Now, with regard to the service break, does not. Now the
Pardon?
now the regarding the release of the pensionary benefit and the pension passbook. Pension passbook is required. During his tenure, he has not corrected the nomination in the service book. At present, whose name is in the service book? At present,
At present, Lordship, honestly and candidly, I am submitting before your Lordship the name of second wife is present in the service book.
correct, correct. Now the authority has to consider with regard to the release of the pensionary benefit of the respondent number 7, who was the government servant till 31st.
Respondent number 6,
Respondent number 6. So the pensionary benefit is to be released.
release.
Regarding pensionary benefit release, there is nothing to do because he is alive. He is a government servant. It cannot be distributed. It is correct.
Presently, government, ex-government employee, that is respondent number 6 is alive.
Correct. That's what I'm telling. The
Hmm.
government servant who retired from the service is alive.
Alive.
He is entitled to get all the benefits,
All the benefits.
whatever he is entitled for as a retired government servant. Correct.
Lordship.
So question does not, there is no dispute with regard to the release of the amount to the petitioner. Now only the question is that who will be the nominee in the
Future
pension passbook? Because after the retirement, the pension passbook is to be created. In the pension passbook, the name has to come in the pension
That-
passbook. who will be in future if he
That means
something
in
has happened.
whose favor the family pension will be disbursed.
Correct. Family pension.
Family
Not the
pension.
family pension. The first wife is alive.
First, if
So
the first wife
wife
will
is
be
alive.
alive at that time, then first wife will take the
First
family
wife-
pension.
Family pension it will be taken. That's all. What further is
Absolutely, absolutely.
required with regard to the daughter and son? If it is come future, they will decide.
Absolutely, absolutely.
At
Lordship.
that point of time, the wife will get all these things.
But Lordship, one thing on an earlier date, Lordship asked on earlier date, Lordship was pleased to ask one thing from the department that
What is the rule you are following?
yes, and whether the name of the
Yes,
son maybe name of the daughter may be
My lord, can
permitted
consider
to be
74
included in the service book or not.
No, this court has passed an order directing Railway Authority Director to file short report indicating the procedure and who are entitled to get the family
Railway has
pension
come.
and whose name can be included in the PPO.
জাস্ট একটা কপি দেবেন যদি থাকে আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
Sir,
ব্রিদিং টাইম হলো
I'm extremely sorry, madam.
Yes.
My lord. My lord, page 2, para 4,
স্যার
Yes.
sub para 1.
একটা কপি দিন আমার
দিচ্ছি সাহেব, look
ও
at-
নেই ঠিক আছে
Kindly come to again. You have done the mistake. Kindly come to the page 3, second paragraph.
Yes, my lord.
Second paragraph.
Yes, my lord.
It is further submitted that the PCPO year senior circular number so and so children born from the void marriage are entitled to pension benefit.
My lord.
No problem. According where the second marriage is void under the Hindu Marriage Act, the legally married first wife and the daughter of the second wife are both entitled to family pension to the extent. Here with regard, see, here the situation is different. Here the government servant is alive.
My lord.
Here question of distribution of the family pension is not the question.
No.
Here the government servant, retired government servant is there. You have to release all the, because what is 50% is you cannot distribute the any amount if the government servant is alive.
Alive. Certainly, my lord.
Release the 100% benefit
No, my
to
lord.
the pensioner.
My lord, in case of death of the
That-
I have not written that.
That
my
is,
lord.
sister, that is not the question.
That is not the question.
Here only you have to prepare, process the file in the name of the first wife who is still alive, and her name to be included in the family pension.
For
That's
that, for that,
That's
my lord, para 3 is there, my lord. Para 3, page 3, para 3.
It's not entitled family pension rule as second wife is not entitled as the legally wedded wife where the marriage is void under the Hindu. That's why.
Yes.
That's all.
No,
Nothing else.
my lord, page 3 of my report,
Ah.
para 3,
Hmm.
the last para, my lord.
Hmm.
With regard to the induction of the name of the first wife
Ah.
in the service record, it is submitted that the name of the wife of a railway employee is recorded in the service record document on the basis of a
Where
family
from you are reading?
declaration. My lord, page 3,
Ah.
para 3.
With regard to the induction of the name of the first wife in the
My
service,
lord.
it is submitted.
It
to
is
the name of
submitted
the
that the name of the wife of a
is
railway
recorded in the service
employee
document.
is recorded in the service document on the basis of family declarations supported by a marriage certificate. In cases where more than one claimant claims to be the legally wedded wife,
Correct.
such claimants are required to submit an order of a competent court
Correct. So I am disposing of this writ
Yes.
application as the government servants are retired and his first wife is still there. So
My lord,
the authority may take appropriate
My
step
lord,
for
my lord,
release
my
of the
lord,
family pension in favor of the retired person.
My lord,
And at the time of
but
preparation of
we are
the PPO,
with all the benefits as per your order, as per your lordship's order, my lord,
That's right.
earlier order. That was the reason. Otherwise, we would have given it.
correct. No,
Unless it
because
is stopped, nobody would have come. Second wife's name would
Don't have any problem, my lord.
Lordship would dispose it off, my lord.
When the employee.
you are appearing for whom?
I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 6, that means the employee.
Employee.
Correct.
Employee. When I am alive.
No, no.
That's what I'm telling.
I-
That's what I'm telling. The total 100% benefit is to be released.
Yes.
Correct, including the monthly pension, monthly family pension.
In
Favor of
in
respondent of
number 6.
6.
Respond number 6. Only in the pension paper book as a nominee, the first wife name will be included.
Incorporated.
And my lord,
Else,
Nothing
Lord,
else.
deleting the name of second wife because he has said the second wife's name is there. That has to be done. Otherwise, there will be complications. All about future pension. Now he has to get the money. Obviously, I don't stand in the way.
the petitioner has filed the present writ application, praying for a direction upon the respondents number 1 to 5 to release the pension. What you have prayed for?
Copy the third.
Lord, I have prayed for inclusion. That is the page 27
Prayed for inclusion of the name of
in the
the
service record.
petitioner in the service record of the respondent number 6, who is the government and retired government servant. Retired government servant. Full stop. The respondent number 6 was working as
Group D staff, my lord.
gateman under the station superintendent of Ichhapur railway station. The respondent number 6 superannuated from his post on 31st of January 2026. Full stop. The respondent number 6 had married
Corporator
to
Sorry, he retired on 31st of December, my lord.
December.
Yes. Subsequently, it came to our knowledge. He would be able to tell this.
But in a,
Nothing to sub.
When he retired.
No, you tell me the actual fact.
actual date is the 31st December.
Yes,
But in paragraph number 4, it is written that 31st January.
because I don't stay
Retired on
with you.
31st of December 2025. Full stop. Full stop. The petitioner, full stop. The petitioner is the first wife of the respondent number 6. And in the wedlock between the petitioner and the respondent number 6, one male child was born. And now he is a minor. In the meantime, during the subsistence of the first marriage, the respondent number 6 had married to respondent number 7. And in the wedlock between the petitioner and the respondent number 6 and respondent number 7, one female
One female girl.
child was born.
Presently, she is minor.
And at present she is a minor. At present she is a minor. Her name will also
Yes, ma'am.
Well, Lordship, I am trying to
Full
say
stop. Minor.
that,
Full stop.
Just a
Full
minute.
stop.
my name is
Full stop.
required to be
The-
included.
The main grievance of the petitioner in the present application that though the petitioner is the first wife of the retired government servant, but she came to know the government servant has deleted the name of the petitioner from his service book and has included the name of the second wife and her minor daughter.
Main nam korecho. My lord, he just said only
Minor
the
daughter's
wife's
name is-
name has been included. That's the grievance. Highly ascertained from. He has just said only the second wife's name,
Probably.
which he could not have done.
You do one thing, you bring the service book. This court find that to dispose of the present writ application, the service book is of the retired government servant is required. Accordingly, the learned advocate appearing for the railway authority is directed to produce the service book of the respondent number 6 on the next date fix. Release the matter on 17th March.
My lord,
My lord, my lord, my lord. I can. My lord, on 17th March, my lord, I am in my ashram, my lord. Kindly keep, either bring it earlier or
Or
after
13th March.
my
my
lord.
lord, only